Alright, so Zach and I made it to we made it all the way to the Hannaford to get our cookies. But what we really need are the winter edition. Oh, you know what? They have those. They must have those in another section.
Did you get them last?
I didn't get them here. I got them in another section.
You need to get something else, Dad. Not just cookies.
Not just cookies?
You need to get like a drink. Have it freeze.
Oh, yeah.
And then, like,
Yeah, I'm a little bummed they don't have the winter edition ones. All right, well, here, come with me. They're over here in this part of the store. What was that? You gotta. I need some coconut shells. Coconut shells. You're pretty fast on those things in the Walmart. Aisle 12. We have a. No, they were down here. We have a man on snowshoes. Aisle 12. Man on snowshoes. Aisle 12.
is there something wrong with this man?
They better have some. I'm gonna be kind of bummed if I came all this way. I don't get my winter edition Oreos.
OJ.
Yes, they have
Still
them.
Here.
Ah, the Holy Grail. Oh, holy cookies. We need a hot cocoa is what we need. They have they do have a little cafe over here. We can actually bust into these puppies.
Yeah, I know, but we need
Should I get another? Go get another one. Go get another one of these packs. I'm not coming all this way just for one. Let's get another one. Come on, hop along. That's it. We're not coming all this way just for one bag of cookies. We're gonna get two.
This is where these snowshoes really go.
Look at how cleaned out everything is.
What?
Like everything is wiped out.
Look at nobody's here. No seafood chucha.
Yeah, that's pretty light on the food selections today here at the Hannaford. Let's go to the cafe though, see if we can get ourselves a hot cocoa. It's possible. Come on, Sir Hop-along. Whoa. Yeah, those aren't really designed for what you're doing. Oh, here's our hot cocoa.